Hi guys, I have absolutely no time to do anything. So we are going to do this. We are going to do this. What are we going to do? We are going to, do we have a pattern in mind? I don't know the name of this pattern, but Alena sent this to me when I bought her cards. Look at this cute little piece of artwork. She did it on 18/8 of 21, I'm assuming, or no, it's not 12/80 of 81. No. It's got to be this way. 18/8 of 21. So I'm going to use that as inspiration. It looks like we start in the middle maybe and do little arms. Like that. And then like this. And then she went this way. And then looks like we've got another I don't think that's what she did, but you know, it's what I'm doing. So something like this, perhaps, with that gray looks green on this paper. I think I want these to be a different color, but I'm going to go ahead and do this now because I've already started. And then use a something like that. I feel like it's missing something. Maybe a bright yellow. No, that was not what it was missing. Oh, that's the wrong kind of pencil. That's a watercolor pencil. That's not helpful. Oh, that's better. Didn't feel right. That's not bad. It looks better in person. The camera's doing funky things to the colors. Let's sign it. What is it? I don't know. It's a mandala inspired by Alena light, but I don't know what pattern it is. Alena might be able to tell me. Inspired by Alena. It's a mandala inspired by Alena. All right, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. I'll see you later. I've got to go eat, and then I got to go make soup. We have a soup supper at church tonight. All right, see you guys later. Bye-bye.